Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about DATEDIF. DATEDIF is a function that is particularly used to find the difference between date. It could be finding the age, which has to do with the difference between your date of birth and the current date. It could also be finding a number of days that a patient has stayed in the hospital. This is in terms of healthcare activities. So let's just learn about it. Let's go. Now, in this area, we have patient information that has to do with admission date and discharge date. Now, in this particular video, we're going to learn and know about the number of days that the patient has stayed in the hospital, which has to do with admission date to discharge date. So this is where we made particular use of the DATEDIF function. Okay, so you first put your equal to sign and then write DATEDIF 1F, and then you put your bracket open. Then you start first with the earlier date, which is the admission date. Then you put your comma, you click the discharge date, you put your comma. Now this area, now we're going to particularly make use of what the extent at which you want to calculate. That's particularly, do you want to know the years or the months or the days? This one, now we want to know days. And how do you draw that out? We're going to particularly use the double quotation mark, which is this one. Oh, sorry, not that one, which is this one. Then you write D, which stands for day. Then you close the double quotation and close the bracket. And that's it. You click enter. It has filled everything out. So, but there are situations where you try to calculate and it just displays something different. Let's go to the next area where we'll figure that out. This area now, this particular worksheet, I've particularly made the same calculation. If I double click on it, now you see it's just finding the age between the date of birth and the current date, which is today. I'll just put this as today. Today now is 23rd of March. So now there is it. Now it's displaying as a date, of which this happens from time to time in so many people's data. So what do you do now when this appears like this? You don't panic. It's not a time for you to panic. It just simply means that this might actually be responding as a date. Over here, it might just be showing as general in this home ribbon, particularly under the number category. So what do you do when this is the case? You just highlight over that particular column, you go to the data type environment, you choose whole number, because age for age calculation, you need to find age. Age is a whole number. So we find number and click. It is reading as a decimal now, where we come here and reduce the number of decimals that we have, which displays as a whole number. So there we have it. It's giving the whole answer we wanted to give. The difference between the date of birth and the current date for this particular person's age is 16. The person is 16 years old as of today. So this is how you solve problems like this. And let me know, are there other issues you face in finding the DATEDIF activities? If there are, let me know. And let me know also other issues you face in Microsoft Excel, and we can solve them together. But thank you for staying tuned and follow for more videos like this. Bye.